Hi, Caleb with Lake State Cleaning here, and I just want to show you a product that we've been using for downspout protection. This is called Gutter Stick, and this is an alternative to gutter guards. It's going to protect your downspouts from getting clogs and causing serious problems with your gutter system. It's pretty simple the way it works. This little portion here sits in the tray of your gutter, and this part here sits down in the opening of your downspout. It's got a little plate here to hold it in position. It's pretty straightforward the way that it works. This thing can get completely surrounded by debris, but it's got so much surface area and just the right size opening so that small little harmless bits of debris can get through here and get flushed through. But even if it gets completely surrounded by debris that's heavier, water can still filter through that stuff, get through these openings, and still get drained away from your home down through your downspout. So something like this is really important because if you get clogs in your downspouts, it can cause a major problem. Number one, it's going to prevent water from draining away from your home and your foundation. It could cause flooding in your basement or erosion in your landscaping, all kinds of problems. The other issue that can occur is if those clogs stay in your downspouts through the winter, they freeze and they expand and they can split the elbows in the downspouts, and then that whole piece is ruined. It essentially needs to be replaced. So this won't prevent you from needing gutter cleaning, but it will prevent you from getting massive nasty clogs in your downspouts, which is really what's going to cause a major problem. So using these in conjunction with periodic gutter cleaning is a great strategy. These are really affordable, about 25 bucks a piece installed. So we can put these all over your home wherever you've got troubled downspouts. That's the other nice thing about them. They don't need to go on every single downspout, just maybe the areas where you think you're going to have some issues, like if you have a tree overhanging a particular downspout. So really easy to install. We've got these with us all the time. So ask us if you'd like to have some of these installed along with your gutter cleaning service.